To create a table of contents in Google Docs, follow these steps. Insert headings. First, organize your document with headings. Use the Styles menu in the toolbar to apply headings to sections of your document. You can use headings like Heading 1 for main sections and Heading 2 for subsections. Place cursor. After applying headings, place your cursor where you want to insert the table of contents. Insert Table of Contents. Go to the Insert menu, hover over Table of Contents, and select either Table of Contents or Links Only. The Table of Contents option will insert a fully formatted table, while Links Only will insert clickable links to the headings. Customize. By default, the Table of Contents will include all headings in your document. However, you can customize it by clicking on the Table of Contents and selecting Options. Here, you can choose which heading levels to include and whether to show page numbers. Update. Automatically, the table of contents will update automatically as you make changes to your document, such as adding, removing, or editing headings. With these steps, you can quickly create a table of contents in your Google Docs document, making it easier for readers to navigate through your content.